Okay viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to make this toggle button and toggle buttons hole. So I wanted to show you all this process about this jacket, but I deleted by mistake some, so then I can't show you all process. I will soon make different jacket. Then today I'm gonna show you how you can make this toggle button, or a same way to make it just for the button. I've got just to show you one how you can put it on, how you can crochet these places. So I got button in here. I've got small button. I couldn't find any bigger. If you have, you can make. So this is so easy to make this one. It will be hard to put it on the jacket. So I'm using 3.5 millimeter hook. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm going to make 9 chains, yarn over. In next chain I'm going to make half crochet. So then I should have at the end 8 half crochet. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chain 1, yarn over again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chain 1. I've got 2 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 chain 1. I've got 3 rows now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 4 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Now I want to show you yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my last row for this. So I wanted to show you how to make 6 rows. So I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So to make this hole, you just have to here make single crochet. Then same way to make button, or same way to make this hole for button. So then make these 4 half crochet. Okay, this is for how to make buttonhole like this. I made like this one. I will show you how to put it on. So I'm gonna just, I have this last one to make, I wanted to show. So I'm gonna make button now. So button, everybody has different way, but I have to, I cut it, so I cut it a bit long, and I'm gonna, I'm not gonna tie it, don't make tight, leave it a little bit loose from here, because sometimes it will tight, but try to make loose. And this wool is really thick, doesn't go in needle. So we have this button. So I wanted to show you how it's make tight. It's hard to do that. Then again another hole for needle. It's easy to make it with needle. If you have a double knitting yarn, you can without needle, because this yarn is so thick. So look, button go like this. No work for needle at the moment. So I'm gonna make little bit loose from here, because now tight, because I pull it. All right, now it's okay. Yeah, what's going on? So I'm gonna make same place single crochet like this. So I'm gonna make these 4 half crochet, 2, 3, now 4. So I think this yarn is enough to put on. I'm gonna take this here yarn. I hope you understand how you can make this double button. This yarn I'm gonna put on in there with needle here. So I will, or rather than that, you can do this under when I'm gonna put it. Okay, I wanted to show you first. When you put it on, you can't see inside. Just you have to make like this, just outside. You don't have to see inside any of yarn to make this. So this is okay. Another thing, when you put it on same space, you have to leave same space. Look, maybe I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put it on here. This is the same space. Make sure from here is level. It's difficult to put on this yarn in the needle. Okay. I wanted to put it on in the, okay, make sure it's out, this yarn out, not the, you don't have to see inside. Yarn. So here, like this. You can't see the side inside. Okay, I'm gonna cut this yarn. Don't know, there's something. This is okay viewers, this is I made now. So this is ready now. I hope you like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and share your family and friend, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. This is how they growing. So they look like this.